Dear viewers, Namaskar. Presenting you answers of week 6, assignment 6 of entrepreneurship assignments. Before proceedings, I would like to mention that for explaining all these questions, I have taken snapshots of slides presented by Professor Vatsala Rao for week 6. Here you may remember this due date and time before which you need to submit these assignments. This is assignment 6 of week 6. Question number 1. The correct answer is perfect innovation. Let's go to the slide presented by Professor Vatsala Rao. Here in this slide, you may also note down the slide number if you wish to check on your own. Here, completely autonomous automobile is another example of perfect innovation. And robotic surgery is also one of the example of perfect innovation. Here I would like to mention that there is no such things like perfect innovation, but based on time still concept we can say there is perfect innovations, and hence this is the correct answers. Autonomous vehicles. Question number 2. Which of the industry in India have several hundreds of brands, I would say several thousands of brands for same generic product? Here the correct answer is pharmaceutical industry. In the next slide we will see that there are over 45,000 brands in pharmaceutical industry, and this may be because of the reason that one pharmaceutical company goes for multiple drug brands, and this may be because if anything goes wrong with one of the product, the pharmaceutical corporation may not feel or go down because of one of the brand has gone wrong. Here we can see that number of brands, if we add up this total, it may be over 45,000 roughly. So pharmaceutical industry having thousands of brands. Which of the following statements is relatively true? The correct answer is design can integrate as well as differentiate functionalities in one or more product. Design can integrate various functionalities of a product and thereby improve its functionalities. Similarly, if a product is of having same functionalities but design can improve its appearance, its feel good experience, and hence this is the correct answers. Question number 4. Which of the following statements is true? Because of automobile electrification and autonomous driving, there would be opportunities for several technologies led startups in new generation components. This is the correct answer. Let's go to the slides. Here we can see the opportunities open for startups if e-vehicles is used. Here you can see that there are sea of opportunities. In fact, you can see all these processes, materials, components, sub-materials and everything, and each of these components or parts may have multiple startups opportunities. Similarly, this is for automobile electrification. If autonomous driving is there, then further there will be opportunities for navigations, traffic signal catching, lane tracking, and so on. What can additive manufacturing do? Additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing, do automobile industry? The correct answer is make components with just the required amount of materials. Here the manufacturing materials are made into powdered form, and the components or parts which has to be manufactured is directly put layered by layer, and hence the parts are ready without wasting any extra materials. Like in machining processes, we go by subtracting manufacturing, that is one metal object is selected, and by machining undesired parts or undesirable portion of the material is removed, and because of this lead to lots of wastage of materials. If automobile industry go for additive manufacturing, then there will not be any wastage of materials, because materials are powdered for and the parts will be made by adding exact amount of the material. Let's go to the slides. Here in the slides you may read on your own for details. Here example, metal removal, the order of 3 million tons will be saved, and the amount is 135 billion rupees, which is huge, and that's why the additive manufacturing is taking the manufacturing industry by storm. It is growing a very fast pace. Question number 6. Here if we go to the statements from mobile phones, recovery of the following rare earth. Here rare earth, here none of the item mentioned is rare earth, but if we see that which of the items are present rarely in our earth, then it's a cobalt. It's a man-made, that is artificial. Steel, that is iron, and aluminum are abundant in our earth, and hence these three may be ruled out for the correct answer. Cobalt is used in battery, and it is being recycled by using robot, because battery have many materials which may not be suitable for humans contact, and hence a robot is deployed for recovery of or recycling of cobalt. And hence if we go to this terms like rare earth, that is rarely available on earth, and mobile phones uses batteries, and cobalt is present in the battery, and it is being recycled, and as per me this is the correct answers. Speech recognition or natural language program qualifies as artificial intelligence. Let's go to the slide. Here you can see that these are few examples of artificial intelligence, like biometrics, voice assistance, human computer interaction, speech recognition, and NLP or natural language programming. Question number 8. A good operation strategy requires. Good operation strategy requires product to manufacture, facility to manufacture, materials to manufacture, and that is the correct answer is all of the above. Let's go to the slides. Here we can see that facility, location, bill of material, that is materials, and hence all of the three is required for a good operation strategy, and hence the correct answer is all of the above. Modern products such as Toyota car and Apple iPhones are manufactured through globally network production, that is some part of the Toyota is making somewhere in the some of the countries, and another part is made somewhere in another countries and assembled in third countries, and similar things happens with Apple iPhone also. So this is the globally network productions, the correct answer. Just in time inventory systems is aligned with pull type demand, that is just in time refers to maintenance of inventory to to a very low or null level. Whenever demand is coming, manufacturing process is starting and inventory is product is manufactured and supplied to the vendors or customers, and this comes to pull type demand systems. Thanks for watching.